Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Lesiba Mothupi. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to be speaking about the Forex Chasers app. That is correct, guys. That is right. You guys have been waiting for this. You guys have been seeing me post about the app, but I haven't really said much about it because, to be honest, guys, I just wanted it to be a formal thing whereby all of the guys that would be able to know about the app would be able to know about it in the right way. But not even that. I think the most important thing is for me to state out my mission or even my visions with the Forex Chasers app. So with my years of trading and with my years of being a mentor, at the same time being on the other side, meaning that being a trader, I've been able to see two different types of things. I've been able to see what the problems are, because at the same time, guys, being a mentor was able to help me become my own business person, you understand, because I ended up having a Forex institution. It ended up leading me into loving business, learning about how business works, getting into other business models, other businesses, having multiple streams of online businesses. At the end, I was like, you know what, I need to go back. I need to go back and give back to the traders, basically, you know. So I'm creating this app. What it does is that it literally allows, it's an all-in-one solution for traders, you understand? So an all-in-one solution for traders, meaning that each and every trader out there would be able to access things such as mentors. Literally, like, they are very accessible within the app, meaning that there's different types of mentors that you can be able to see. You can see their skills, their characteristics, their trading statistics, their metrics, and you can decide which mentor you want to trade with, which mentor you actually want to have under your wing. Not only that, guys, I know that you guys are now excited, you guys are happy, asking yourself, what more, tell us more, Lesiba. But to be honest, guys, there's also things such as trade ideas that are going to be shared within the app. So those trade ideas, while they are being shared in the app, it'll actually help you be able to even get much more better ideas in terms of what the market is doing. How are people seeing the market? Who's actually buying? Who's selling? There's also a chat room. So within the chat room, you are able to engage with other members out there. So let me not speak much about what actually is there or what's not there. Let me just open up my phone right here, and then we'll just go within the app, and then we'll take a look at it, because it's both available on Android and as well it's available on Apple. So just by coming into the app I've pressed here, you can simply see that the dashboard so far, we've got the chat room, we've got the education. So on the education side, this is where you'd be able to literally just on the free section, this is where we're giving out, like, things that are going to help you. Like, let's say, for instance, introduction to the markets that you need to focus on, the purpose of this course, literally things that are going to help you be able to excel. Yeah, things that are going to help you be able to excel. And then on the side here, on the chat room side, you can simply see in the free section on the chat room side that there is multiple people that are now engaging and chatting, you understand? These are the people that had the benefits of being able to get the access a bit more quicker. So here is where I also get to share my analysis. I get to share my analysis, and you're able to engage with other people. Yes, there is a VIP section and there's as well a free section, but normally most people would be comfortable in the free section, which is amazing. I understand that. And speaking about the mentor section, you can see the mentors that are at Forex Chasers. You know who you're dealing with, you know who's good with that, you know who you actually do want to work with. And moving over to the Forex calculator, we've got a Forex calculator that's going to help you be able to just put down your numbers. Once you've put down your numbers, you'll be able to just, like, let's say you're trading with $1,000, you can put it down here, your leverage, your risk percentage, let's say 1%, you're risking 1% risk amount. It shows you how much you can risk and what types of assets you are trading, let's say cryptos, and then you decide what type of a crypto. And then let's say, for instance, moving over to, just by coming here, Forex, then you can decide what Forex, let's say AUD, you're going long, then it'll give you all types of things that you actually do need. You have to risk 10%, you understand? These are things that it'll help you with. So just by going back, one thing that I like is that it's also integrated to our YouTube. So most of our YouTube content, before you get to see them in public, they will be seen first in the app, and then 2 days later they'll be seen in public, meaning that you having this app, it gives you cool benefits of having to be able to get instant access to each and everything that we do, coolest, quickest updates to what we have going on. And just by coming down here is that we are also building a challenge that will help out people be able to just literally go through challenges like mindset, the technical side, even challenges of you being able to fund, grow your account. We're going to give you back something, but the most important thing, I think the purpose of this video is not to tell you guys how cool the app is, what it has and all those things. The coolest thing about me shooting this video is to let you guys know about the mission. The mission is to have an all-in-one solution for all traders out there, just so they don't have to go through multiple times of things. but they just need this app to be able to literally just get access to all of that. And if you've got any suggestions of what it is that you want to see within the app, just comment below. Tell me, Lesiba, please add this as well, add this. Then that is what I'll be adding in the app. And I'm excited, guys. This app is made for you, so you are the one that's actually building it instead of me building it. So Mothupi, make sure that you like and subscribe. Comment below, tell me what you guys do think about the app, and I'll see you on the next YouTube video.